Hey everyone, it's Russell here for Ndax, and today we're going to be talking about a huge upgrade to the platform, and that is multi-chain support. Now, this can save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in transaction fees, all while providing you with the best bridge to access the wide world of Web3 blockchain applications. You might be familiar with smart contracts, the technology that allows for applications to be developed and deployed directly onto various blockchains. And there are a few different smart contract blockchains that users can choose from, each one focusing on its own specialty. One of the first smart contract blockchains was Ethereum, and it focuses primarily on having the highest level of security and decentralization, but that comes at the cost of having very high transaction fees. Other smart contract blockchains like the Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, or Fantom, or even Ethereum scaling solutions like Polygon, well, they focus less on the decentralization side of things and instead optimize for high-speed transactions with extremely low fees. Now, this multi-chain support from Ndax is such a big deal because it allows users to skip the often hefty transaction fees required to bridge to these networks and instead allows users to deposit and withdraw directly to and from the networks of their choosing. With Ndax's multi-chain support, withdrawing to your favorite blockchain is so easy. From your main page here on the web application, you can directly click here on Withdraw, and that will take you to the page where you can see what funds in crypto you're currently holding. You can scroll down here on the side to find the asset that you want to transfer over. Now, for our example, let's go with the Matic token. Now, this token is the native token for the Polygon network. You'll notice in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen that you can both send and receive this Matic token. And here's where the multi-chain support comes in. If you were to withdraw this Matic token from your Ndax portfolio, you would click send here, and then now, instead of it just being able to be withdrawn to the Ethereum network, you can also withdraw directly to Polygon or to the Binance Smart Chain. Now, depending on which asset you're looking to withdraw, there may be different options here based on where that asset lives. On many other platforms and exchanges, you would have to withdraw your Matic tokens directly to the Ethereum network and pay a high transaction fee one time, but then additionally you'd have to pay another transaction fee to bridge your funds over to the Polygon network. Again, instead here with Ndax, we can just simply click Polygon and deposit directly from our Ndax into our Polygon wallet. Then you'd simply enter your Polygon or Matic wallet address in this field here, the amount of Matic you want to send, and then you can send again directly from your Ndax portfolio to your wallet on the Polygon network. And the same goes for any other network that you may want to withdraw directly from Ndax to. And this is also super easy to do with Ndax's mobile app. Once you've logged in, you can click in the bottom left-hand corner to view your portfolio and then select whatever asset you would like to withdraw. And then from this window, you can click here and you'll see the withdraw pane where you can then select which network you'd like to withdraw that asset to. This opens up a whole lot of doors because now you can actually start to access decentralized apps on these various smart contract platforms. For example, one of the most popular applications on the Polygon network is UniSwap, which is a decentralized exchange, or DEX, which essentially allows you to trade any token for any other token. On other networks, there are also decentralized exchanges that provide the same functionality for those ecosystems, such as PancakeSwap on the Binance Smart Chain or Pangolin on Avalanche. Let's say I want to swap my Matic token for some other token that's not traditionally listed on other centralized exchanges. I can select my token from this list. Let's say we want to purchase a Maker's Governance token. I can simply enter the amount of Matic that I want to swap for Maker tokens, and UniSwap will allow me to do this. The beauty here is that since Ndax allowed me to withdraw directly to the Polygon network, I'm having to pay far less fees than if I were to try to do these swaps on the Ethereum mainnet, which many other exchanges only allow you to withdraw to. And this is just one application of thousands that are being developed on these smart contract platforms, which you can now easily access with Ndax multi-chain support. But with all of that said, I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions about what we've covered today down in the comments section, and I'll talk to you again soon.